the creamy crack. The creamy crack is in my hand, and it's going to be going on my hair. So I'm going to get the process started, and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, hey, Miss Jen Mocha here, and guys, I'm looking like this because I am getting ready to do the ultimate. And what is that, you may ask? Yes, your girl is going back to the creamy crack. The creamy crack is in my hand, and it's going to be going on my hair. So I'm going to get the process started, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I've just opened the box and I've taken out the contents. Y'all know, reading instructions and directions, I know we should, but I'm like, okay, I've put a relaxer on my hair before, but y'all, look at all of these steps that has to go on for this process. Like, I'm used to seeing like 3 things in a box and that's it, but all these extra steps, I may need to read the instructions. So I got the instructions here. I really should do a test strand like that. Mix 1, 2. It's a lot of rinsing and waiting for a couple of 10 minutes or so, but we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, so I have it mixed really good, and I'm gonna put my gloves on and start the process. I forgot I need to untwist my twist here. To hurry up though.
Okay, I got my twist out. I'm done. And now I'm gonna start the process. I wish I had one of those aprons.
Okay, so I've rinsed the relaxer out, and now I'm going to do step 3. And after I put this on, I wait for 10 minutes. So I'll see y'all back later. All right, now I'm to the shampoo, step 4. I know I'm supposed to be using gloves, but I'm thinking, for me, I think the gloves just kind of rips my hair, because right now it's fragile, really. So I just use my hands. So, step 5. So this is the moisture mask. Recharge moisture mask. It has castor oil, jojoba oil, and avocado oil. So I'm gonna put this on and leave it on for 5 minutes, and I'll rinse it, and then the last step would be for me to style it. But this is pretty much how it's turned out. I didn't get this side like this other side. Well, looking, but y'all, oh, it's every time I touch it, it feels like it's tearing, but to be expected. I know. So I'm gonna do this last step and I'll be back later. Okay, I'm still doing my step 5. Y'all, these relaxers nowadays, like I was saying in the beginning, it's so many steps, but I would have been finished by now with my Ultra Sheen. Y'all remember that? Ultra Sheen? I only got it because it had two applications in it for the price of one. But I looked for it. I didn't see it anymore. So I went with my second choice. It's Dark and Lovely. So I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes. I've had a few shedding of my hair, but I'm okay. Just looks so different. And y'all, for a long time I didn't go put a relaxer on. I've been wanting one, but then I was like, no, let me try this. And then another reason too, my daughter, she doesn't have any chemicals on her hair, and I just wanted to let her know that, hey, mommy hair looks the same. But we'll see her reaction after she sees that I've put this on. I told her I was straightening my hair, so she's been really good. She hasn't come, but I've checked on her since I've turned off the camera and back on, but she's doing good. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so I am finished. And so if my hair was damaged, if I felt like my hair was damaged with it being natural, it's still definitely going to be damaged with the relaxer. So next thing is going to be a good haircut, and I am not afraid to go short. Okay, I'm not afraid. So in the next video, you guys will see how my hair looks after I've styled it the way it is now. But yes, I will be looking for a beautician to give me a cut, the hairstyle that I like. Okay, it may be something similar like to the short wig that y'all seen me in, but yeah, definitely I'm going to be getting this cut. Okay, so thanks for watching. That was the process, a condensed version, but yeah, this is how my hair turned out. It's still wet, but like I said, in the next video, y'all will see how it looks then. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up. And if you want to join my channel, press subscribe and press the bell to the left, right, so you'll be notified of a new video that I post. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, y'all, guess who's here?
It's Mina.
So, real quick, what do you want to say real quick?
So, seriously, I just want to say I love you, and also have a great day today.
It's nighttime.
Well, have a great nighttime.
Okay.
And have a great Venice morning time again.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
You're supposed to look right there. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
I decided to go ahead and just blow dry my hair because it is late and I don't want to lay down on my pillow with my wet hair. So in this attachment, I saw one of my friends on Facebook. My attachment that came with this had broke. So I saw her with one, and so I was like, let And this is it. So I'm gonna finish blow drying this so y'all can see the dried look. Be very careful with this. And the blow dryer is on the lower setting. You know it though, right? I know you do. Huh?
I said I need to get some other running nose.
You need some tissue?
Yes. Yes, I'm working on my nose. No, I can't. No, it was under there last time. That's too tiny. Yeah.
She needs some tissue
Yes, I need some.
to blow her nose.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Okay, the ring light fell. I'll be right back. Okay, the ring light fell. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back.
Yes, the ring light just fell because of me. But I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
It's okay, it's back working. It didn't. No, don't do that, baby.
I like your hair. It's nicer.
No, it's fragile. So y'all, I didn't tell y'all about this attachment, but you see this?
Yeah, so
Okay.
cute.
Right?
Yeah.
It's because often here, you see this bar? It's actually like a
See?
it's a metal piece, but what it does as you're straightening your hair, as you blow drying your hair, your hair is going through these combs, but it's also rubbing up against this piece here, and this is what you get. Okay, so it's like a small, light flat iron off inside of here. Okay, pretty neat, huh? All right, to be continued. Okay, this is how it looks.
Cute, mommy.
Thank you. This is how it looks, and this is about
Can I try?
enough of a.
Can I try, ma'am?
Try what?
Can I try that?
This here. But yeah, as y'all can see all through here. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, a shortcut I will be getting, because each time that she drags that comb through my hair, I can hear it popping because it's getting down to the ends. Okay. All right.